How does a Special Forces unit survive for weeks? In the middle of a desert, with no rivers, no wells, and no supply lines? How does a military base operate in one of the driest places on Earth and never run out of drinking water? The answer isn't magic. It isn't luck. It's technology. Technology that the military has been using for decades, that most civilians have never heard of. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that technology is, and how regular families are now using it at home. And if you stay until the end, because this same military technology can be built at home for under $110. No special clearance required. Water is the single most critical resource in any military operation. A soldier can survive weeks without food. But without water, combat effectiveness drops within hours. Dehydration causes confusion, weakness, and poor decision-making. In a combat situation, those are fatal consequences. And yet, military operations regularly take place in some of the most water-scarce environments on Earth. The deserts of the Middle East, the arid highlands of Central Asia, remote jungle outposts with contaminated water sources, Arctic environments where water is frozen solid. In every one of these environments, the military needs a reliable, portable, independent water supply. And they cannot depend on local infrastructure because in a war zone, there is no infrastructure. So how do they solve this problem? The first solution the military uses is tactical water purification. These are portable systems that can take contaminated water from any source, rivers, lakes, puddles, even flood water, and purify it to drinking quality within minutes. The U.S. military uses systems like the Tactical Water Purification System, or TWPS, which can produce up to 1,500 gallons of clean water per hour. These units are deployed in forward operating bases across the world. But they still require a water source to purify. In a true desert environment with no surface water, you need something different. This is where it gets fascinating. The military discovered that even in desert environments, the air contains water vapor. Not a lot, but enough. And with the right technology, you can extract that moisture, even from air that feels completely dry. Atmospheric water generators have been deployed in military operations for over 2 decades. Units like the Aqua-Star and the GEN 350 have been used by U.S. forces in Iraq, Afghanistan, and other desert operations. These machines pull air in, cool it rapidly past the dew point, and collect the condensed water vapor as liquid. In high humidity environments, they can produce hundreds of gallons per day, even in low humidity desert conditions. A military-grade AWG can produce enough water to sustain a small unit. No water source needed. No supply lines required. Just air and electricity. Here's one you probably didn't know about. Modern military vehicles, including certain tanks and armored personnel carriers, are equipped with systems that recover and recycle water from the air inside the vehicle. The humidity from soldiers breathing and sweating is captured, filtered, and converted back into drinking water. This technology was originally developed for submarines, where every drop of water must be recycled. It was then adapted for space missions, and eventually made its way into ground combat vehicles. The principle is always the same. Air contains water. The right technology extracts it. And that water keeps soldiers alive. Here's the key insight from everything we just covered. The military doesn't wait for rain. The military doesn't depend on local water infrastructure. The military doesn't hope the supply line holds. The military engineers water independence into every operation, because they know that depending on an external water source is a vulnerability they cannot afford. As a civilian in 2026, you face a different kind of battlefield. Droughts, contamination events, power outages, infrastructure failures. Every one of these scenarios cuts off your water supply. And just like the military, the families who survive these situations without suffering are the ones who engineered their own water independence before the crisis hit. The same atmospheric water generation technology used by the military is now available to regular families, not in a $50,000 military-grade unit, but in a compact DIY system called the Smart Water Box that uses the exact same principles and can be built at home for under $110. No supply lines, no infrastructure, no permits. Just air going in and clean water coming out. The full instructions are in the link below. If this video changed how you think about water independence, subscribe to Water Freedom. We publish new videos every week about the technology and strategies that keep families water independent, no matter what happens to the grid. Because if it works for the military in the middle of a desert, it can work for your family at home.